Hey, how you doing? This is Kane71, and I got my latest submission from SGC. They got it turned over pretty quick, so I sent in 3 orders. I'm trying to see which one this is. I sent in an order of regular cards at $15, and then they had a special for cards in the 70s and 80s, and then for $12, and they also had a modern football, 2010 to current modern football. So I don't know which of the orders this is, but we can go ahead and crack this open, take a look at what we've got in returns, what came back for the grading for my SGC order. A small order. Looks to be like modern football. Let's start off right here. The first one, I got a SGC 10 2020 Panini Prism Tua Tagovailoa. This is the variation, the black and white variation. It's a clean card. Beautiful 10. Excited about that for sure. We got a 2013 Topps Chrome DeAndre Hopkins refractor. It's an X-Factor, X-Fractor. 9.5, not bad. Not bad. I thought it was a 10, but it's 9.5. It's awful clean. So still happy about that. It's a beautiful card. It's a 9.5 for a future Hall of Famer. We got a Penei Sewell Donruss in the blue scope. It's a 9. Not bad. Donruss is tough, you know, especially because it's a foil, but it's a nice color. It's color match on a 9 for Penei Sewell. I've got a Barry Sanders numbered to 149, 116 out of 149. And this is the Donruss out of 9.5. This is the strength. You see a little bicep in there? It's hard to see. You can see it a little bit. But it's good, clean optic. The Flex Prism. That's nice, 9.5. Looks like we got a Aaron Donald rookie card. This is a 9. We've got the Topps Platinum refractor on 9. That's beautiful. Could be the greatest defensive player of all time. Aaron Donald was a unbelievable specimen. We got that on a 9. Got a Chronicles Draft Picks Ray Lewis in the Miami uniform. This is the retro score, and it is numbered, it's the purple, the score retro numbered to 49, and that's a 10. See that I got the number over here on the bottom. But we got numbered to 49, Ray Lewis in his Miami uniform. That's a beautiful card. If you're a South Florida guy like myself, and that is a nice one to have. And I got one more. This is a modern, also Ray Lewis Draft Picks Prism. This one's numbered to 99. And here we go. 9.5 on the red Prism. Again, Ray Lewis in his Miami uniform in a 9.5. That's a beautiful card. All right, well, you know what? For $12 a piece, it's a good deal. That's what that order came down to. Not too bad. 2 10s, 3 9.5s, and 2 9s. $12 a piece. Thank you, SGC.